Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Quadratic Equations. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The given question is find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, find them. And the given equation is 2x to the power 2 minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So guys, as per the question, we need to find out the nature of the root of the following quadratic equation. If the real root exists, then we need to find out the real roots. Okay. Now guys, this question is again a very simple and very straightforward one. So let's see what exactly this is and how we are going to solve this question. First of all, the given equation is of the form ax to the power 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So definitely this is a quadratic equation. So let me note it down that the given equation is of the form the given equation is of the form the given equation is of the form, this is very important guys, we need to write it down, of the form ax to the power 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So that means if you see 2x to the power 2 is nothing but ax to the power 2, 3x is nothing but bx, and 5 is nothing but c. So for that reason we are calling this one as the given equation is of the form ax to the power 2 plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and this forms a quadratic equation. Now as a, so from this equation we can derive the value of a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, and I can write c, the constant, is equal to 5. So now guys, we got the values of a, b and c. Now in order to find out the nature of the root, we need to find out the discriminant. And the discriminant is noted by or given by, discriminant is nothing but is equal to b square minus 4ac. So guys, we are going to find out the discriminant first. Then after finding out the discriminant, then we will decide whether, then only we can decide the nature of the root. So guys, now let us solve the value of the discriminant. Like we need to put all these things in place with b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is equal to, I can write here b is, the value of b is minus 3. So I can write minus 3 to the power 2 minus 4 into a. The value of a is 2 and the value of c is 5. Or I can write b to the b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 3 into minus 3, 3 3s are 9, minus 4 to the 8, 8 5s are 40. So I'm getting 9 minus 40, that is equal to minus 31. Guys, what we got? We got b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 31. Or I can write b square minus 4ac is less than, or I can write, in other words, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So guys, what does it mean? If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, what does it mean? The rule of discriminant says that if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then two different values of x exist. Two different values of x, we will get, and if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then we will get same values of x, same two values of x. because always while finding the real roots, we are finding the two real roots of x. So here in this case, we will get same two values of x. Now, when b square minus 4ac, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then no real roots exists. No real roots exists. Guys, out of these three conditions, the last condition is very important. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then we will not be able to solve this quadratic equation, or we will not be able to find any values of x. So guys, what actually we will do here, if you see our equation b square minus 4ac is less than 0, this is what we got, because b square minus 4ac is minus 31 that we got. So it falls into this third category. You could see, guys, b square minus 4ac falls into the third categories. Therefore, we can write no real roots exists for this equation. Exists for this given equation. Guys, that's all. This is our answer. So hope guys you understood this calculation of this process. It is very simple and very straightforward one. But still, if you have any questions or concerns, please write to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.